Yo, Mr. 300C in the place to be.
What? That short light messing up my intro? That was like a 2-second light, now it's red. Anyway.
Leaving the dealership, you can kind of see it in the background over there. And you hardly got no cars in the lot. That's so crazy to me. Like, it just seems bare bones. There's hardly anything in there. The shortage is real. I got the AC on, so I'm gonna try to talk loud because it is like 99 degrees today. So if you hear that noise in the background, it's the AC on. I'm trying to cool my AC down, yo. Alright, so let me give you guys the skinny, spill the tea, what's going on with the 300 SRT8. Okay, so I came to the dealership and I was trying to get the car dropped off so they can work on it. I know it'll take them like a week or two just because, you know, that's just how it is. Everything is just behind and slow. I get there, they said, oh, all you can do is just the oil change. There's actually nobody in the service department to schedule an appointment to do all the other stuff you want to look at. And I was like, man,
ain't nobody in that book.
but it's all good. So they did the oil change. That was like $117, full synthetic. It's crazy how prices are just going up. I remember a full synthetic would be like $60, $70. Now it's like past the 100 plus mark. I told him about the leak and he gave me a quote. He found out the leak is coming from my transmission gasket pan. I was like, okay. So he's like, it's probably because the gasket's old. I mean, this car is like 16 years old and that's where the small leak is coming from. He quoted me $249 to get that fixed. So we're putting that in the budget when I scheduled to get that taken care of. And I was like, all right, thank goodness. He's like, but I looked at everything else looks good. You know, you got a keeper. Can't believe you only got, you know, 11,500 miles on there. He said he loved his body style. It's one of his favorites. And it's always good to hear other people appreciate your car, especially, you know, service people, mechanics, techs. It makes me think, yeah, I should keep this car a little bit longer. Ain't nothing wrong with it. You need to enjoy it for what it's worth, right? But I do need to call him back again so I can figure out why the car won't start on the first go. I told him about like spark plugs or coil packs or fuel injection, and he was like, no, there's no way it would be something like that. There's not that many miles on the car, it's not that much wear and tear, but something wonky is probably happening. But we can look at it once you get your appointment situated. That's pretty much where we're at right now. I'm heading back home. My car doesn't have the tune on it, so it's still quick, but like not as responsive as I'm used to because I had the tune on there. So throttle response is a little bit minimized a little bit, but it's all good. So that's good news. Transmission pan gasket, we'll get that swap taken care of, and we'll figure out why the car won't start the first crank, I should say. And then once that's taken care of, like, I'm Gucci, man. Like, it's good mechanically. Just got to keep taking care of everything. Just got to get my wheels, get my windows tinted, and I'm set. Might do some smaller things, nothing crazy. Still want to do some flyby videos so you guys can really hear this bad boy purr, and some other, you know, fun little exhausts. Maybe some rolling camera action videos. Maybe some drone footage. Got my buddy, Mr. Chris, aka Mr. Tesla Man. He might do some video shoots for me, but we'll see. I'm happy. You know, I'm already gonna budget like, I don't know, $500 to $700 just in maintenance, just to figure out what's going on with this car, and then just keep it in the best condition that I can. But that's the update with me, yo. 300 still doing well. Maybe I'll do a pull for you guys just to get one. See, I'm on the highway right now. I'm already going like 70. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It doesn't feel the same without the tune. That's so crazy. Like, It still goes, but it's like missing something. I need more timing. Timing. I'm serious, man. That's so funny. That's my update for you guys. Thanks for rocking with your boy. We're getting close to 4,300 subscribers.